Now we are going to have a demonstration of a wood lamp. In this wood lamp there are tube lights which is white and ultraviolet. There are two tube lights, one is white, one is ultraviolet, and same here at the other end, one white and one is ultraviolet. With the wood lamps there is a mains cord which you have to put it into the electric socket. Put on the electric current, and now we'll see there is a switch in this. The center is completely dead. If you switch it to the right hand side, there is a blue button. If you press it, this is a push in button. If you press this, the ultraviolet light will glow, and again if you press it into the center, it is completely dead. There will be no activity into this. Then again if you switch it to the left hand side like this, here the white and the blue this we are given. If you press the white tube light will glow, and again into the center it is dead. So this is the two push-in buttons. If you press the white one, the white light will glow. If you press a blue one, the blue light will glow. But this depends on this switch. In center it is dead. Right hand side it is mentioned that it is a blue, and in center again dead. And again if you press it at the left hand side, the white light will glow. This is how the wood lamp will work. Thank you so much.